Ever wondered how creators make those smooth zoom-ins and dynamic movements in their videos? The secret is keyframing. In this video, I'll show you how to use CapCut's keyframing tool to transform your edits and stand out like a pro. Stick around as we dive into the video right after the intro. Welcome back everyone. If you are new here, my name is Majid and my goal is to help you level up your editing skills. Now let's talk about keyframing. So what exactly is keyframing? In simple terms, keyframing is like setting checkpoints in your videos that tells the editing software when and how something should change over time. Whether it's zooming in, moving an object or changing a filter, keyframing makes it happen smoothly and automatically. In this video, we'll be using keyframing to achieve 3 amazing effects. First is moving objects across the screen. Secondly, creating smooth zoom-ins and zoom-outs in a video. And lastly, changing the filter of a video, all using just your mobile phone. By the end, you have the skills to make your edits stand out like a pro. Let's dive right in our mobile phones and get started. Okay, so on our CapCut app, you have to import the video that we'll be doing the editing on. So you click on New Project. Then you select the video that you'd love to use for the editing. Then you add. So let's try to add some objects. We'll first add stickers, move them around the screen using keyframing. Then we add maybe you add some pictures or videos to move around to using keyframing or using just keyframing. Let me show you how to add the sticker to the video. So you scroll down here, then you can see me scrolling here. So you click on stickers. Okay, so it will load like this. What you have to know is that most of the stickers are for the pro version of CapCut. So in case you are not using the pro version, make sure that you ignore those that are for the pro version, and so that you'll be able to export your video after the editing. So let's choose one particular one that we would love to use. So let's choose this. I've already added one, so let's just add another one then. Okay, so let's put this one to here. We can see that the sticker is not covering the entire video. So if you want the sticker to cover the entire video, you just click and hold at the end of the sticker, then you drag like this. You can see. So maybe position it right at the end of the video. Okay, so now we have our sticker added to the video. So how are we going to add keyframe? So to add keyframe to a particular clip, being it an overlay like this one or the main video, like the particular video that you love to add a keyframe to, you make sure that you select that particular video. So let's say we want to add a keyframe to the main video. That means you have to select the main video like this. You click on the main video. If you want to add keyframe to the sticker with the glasses or the duck, you have to make sure that you select that one like this. And if you want to add keyframe to the emoji with the love eyes, you select that one like this. So what I'm trying to say here is you select the exact video that you would love to add a keyframe to. Okay, so now we would love to add the keyframe to this emoji with love eye. So we've already selected it, and if you watch at the right side of the screen in the midpoint, you see a diamond icon. You see a diamond icon with plus on it. So that is why we used to add the keyframes. So if you click on it, that means you are showing the CapCut software that at this particular point of my video, I want you to add a keyframe. I hope you understand. Yeah, so if you click on it, you are showing it that at this particular point of my video, I want you to add this effect, this keyframe. Okay, so if you click on it, like this. You see that a diamond has appeared on the sticker that we would love to do the keyframing on. And if you check at the diamond on the right side of the screen too, you see that the plus button has now changed to minus. That means if you want to take out the keyframe, you click on it again like this and the keyframe is gone. So you use that one to add and to take out or to delete the keyframe. So how do we add keyframe? So if you click, let's say we want to start the keyframe at this particular point, so you make sure that you move your video to that exact point that you would love to add the keyframe. So with the sticker that you want to apply the keyframe on selected, you click on the diamond icon with plus, so the keyframe appears like this. So now you are telling the CapCut software that at this particular point of my video, I want this to happen. So what do you want to happen? So whatever you want to happen on your selected video, that's the emoji with the love eyes. Okay, so what do we want to happen? Do you want to move it? Do you want to zoom it out? Do you want to change the filter? Whatever you want to happen, you do it to that particular video. So let's say because you want to move it, since you've added it like this, for a smooth movement, you add a slight movement to the sticker like this. Then you move the video to the point that you love the movements of the sticker to end. So you move it. Let's see at this particular point we want our movement to end. So you click on the keyframe again. Then you move the sticker to the position that you love it to be at this particular point. So that is how to add a keyframe. So if you go, you see that the video starts playing right at the keyframe, starts moving, and at the end of the video, at the end of the keyframe, emoji gets stuck at that particular point that you set it to get stuck or to stop. Start playing a video, we can see that both emojis are moving. Right at the start, both emojis moves and stops right at the end. So that is how to add keyframes to move objects. Okay, so let's do our zoom in and zoom out using keyframes on CapCut. So you move the video to the specified point where you want the keyframe to start. Let's say we want it to start here. Then you click on the diamond icon. Then you slightly zoom in. So this, you are telling CapCut that at this particular point I want something to happen. And what is that? We want zooming to happen. So you slightly zoom your video. Okay, so like this is okay. Then you move your video a little forward for where you want the max zoom to happen. So let's move our video. Okay, so let's say at this point we want the max zoom in to happen. So you click on the keyframe icon again, that's the diamond. Then you max zoom in. Okay, so I think like this is okay. So let's go back and play our video and see what happens. Okay, so we can see that at the start of the keyframe, the video starts to zoom in like this. And before it gets to the second keyframe, it reaches the maximum zoom in that we applied. So that is how to add keyframe to zoom in videos. So let's combine the zoom in and zoom out effects on a single video. So from the second point, you move your video a little forward. I think here is okay. Then you add another keyframe. You click on the diamond icon. Then you slightly zoom in. Okay, I think like this is okay. Then you move your video a little forward to the place you want the video to come back to normal size. Then you add another keyframe. Then you zoom all out. Okay, so I think this is okay. So now let's go back and play our video and see what happens. Zoom in, maximum, zoom out. That is it. So that is how to use keyframes to zoom in and zoom out of a video. Okay, so now let's see how we can use keyframe to adjust the filter of this video. So you import the video just like we always do. Then you make sure that you move the video to the point you love the filter change to start happening. Because you want to see the change, you don't have to start right at the beginning of the video. So we move a little bit in the video, maybe to this point, to the point you love in your video. Okay, so at this exact point you want to add a keyframe. So you click on the diamond icon. You want to add the filter keyframe, so you click on the diamond icon as always. Then you scroll and search for filters. You click on filters, then you make sure that you scroll through to find the one that is free. If you are not on the Pro, you find the one that is free. So let's say we want to use this black and white. You select that one, you adjust it very small, let's say 1, so that it will have a very smooth transitioning. So you move the video to the point that you love the filter to. You move it to that particular point, you add another keyframe. Now you make sure that you adjust the filter to its fullest like this. Then you click on the check mark here, and now if you go back to the video and start playing, you see that it will start playing with colored, start gradually changing, and now it is fully black and white. Yeah, so just like we did with the zoom out, what if right after this point we want the keyframe to go back to the normal colored form? So you make sure that you move to the place you want the color transitioning on, the filter transitioning to happen. You click on the diamond, you search for the filters, then the black and white, you adjust it a little back, you move a little to the place that you love the filter to end, you add another keyframe, then you adjust the filter to 0, then you check it, and if you go back to play your video, this is how it will appear. Conclusion. Okay. Zoom in, filter change, maximum, zoom out, and that is real. Keyframing is an absolute game changer for video editing, and with practice you will unlock endless creative possibilities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.